Hey guys, just going to go over some of the trades this morning. Going to go over fun. Basically, it broke over pre-market highs right here. I think Matt got it. I was very late to that. And then it was very iffy here, so I waited for this entry here for a small scalp of like about 60 cents. I was expecting it, once it went up, to do the gap fill a lot earlier than that one more breakage, but it did break it, and now it's doing the gap fill. The gap fill basically filling up a little space that, weirdly, if trades weren't taken there, it has to go take some trades there. So we're going to look at some other ones that did the pre-market. QNRX in pre, and it's doing it right now. Took some trades up the VWAP right here. Basically, it's right here. Broke over 582, held, and then broke down under 582 at the open. And it might be retrending here because if you look at this same exact area, this is the same area where it is going up, or it will not go any lower. So you might want to check the VWAP break pretty soon. Maybe I would just only take it to 582, the resistance, and then if it continues more, it will continue more. No big deal. We had Fufu did some at the open, I think, for some people. Yeah, yes, it did. Some people talk you out of a trade. If you see a trade, it went right up here. If you see a trade, take a trade. It's your trade. You know, sometimes people will talk you out of a trade. If you've been watching a stock more than somebody else, maybe you know it more than someone else. So just be wary of that as well. JAGX, I heard some people got it early on and then it just failed. And if you want to look at the levels, you'd probably look at this. Yeah, and it went up to a target one and then broke down. So that's why I take target ones all the time. HSDT hit a target one in pre and just bounced around right above exactly the same thing right here. RNLX, that did a pop, two pops at the open right here. And then I think Fun was the best one. Again, right here, you'll see it that it's trending right up here above pre-market high. Came up slowly, just kind of crept up, and that was the stock the people chose. So right here, that's where that gap fill is. You could probably take a trade right here. You'll see it pop over this and see if it can regain. And that's all you're looking for all the time, is just some actual movement all the time. So if you see this little trade here, it'll pop down, pop up, exactly pretty much where that gap fill is. Just trying to get a quick pop on this, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm about to take it off. But weirdly, that's what it does. It always goes down to the gap fill, checks it, and then starts regaining if it can. So we will see. Gonna go see if there's any other stocks. I think BBAI did it. Did a nice open right here at this little level. This is a perfect little shelf for it to go up, and then possibly right here would be the new one right here. So that's what I'd be looking for. I'm gonna go back to Fun. Yeah, I missed that trade. So, but I know that trade right there when it bounces off that area, so I'm gonna have to close it because it never actually took place. And if it continues to go up, it's good. It's a 7 million share, and obviously this is going to be the stock runner of the day. You can take a probably quick trade over VWAP right here, but just waiting for a little pullback before that even happens. So we will see. Y'all have a good day.